All right, here we go. On page 1. Triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. Crazy. Okay. Now, if we go over here and we look at this triangle right here, its sides would be the side XY, the side YZ, and the side XZ. Okay, we have 3 sides. You with me? Okay. We have 3 angles. And I'll label them like this: angle X, angle Y, angle Z. Now, this is what we discovered in our little folding a triangle activity. The angle sum means what? Add, okay? Total, I like that word total, add the total. Angle sum theorem. Theorem is just a rule that we can prove. It's just a fancy word for math rule, okay? The angle sum theorem says that if we add the 3 angles of a triangle, no matter what the triangle is, they're always going to add to 180 degrees. Okay. So in this triangle on the left, we know that the measure of angle X plus the measure of angle Y plus the measure of angle Z is going to equal 180 degrees. Measure. So we put an M there because it's the measure. It's going to be some sort of number. Okay. Angle X is naming it. The measure is saying how big it is. Okay. So in example 1, we have a triangle with 3 angles. Kane, what's true about the 3 angles of a triangle?
They add up to 180.
Perfect. So my 3 angles, X plus 79 plus 82, those should add up to equal 180. What's 79 plus 82? So to figure out X, we need to subtract 161 from 180. Wait. 19? Thanks. Rough stuff. Rough stuff. Okay. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing these examples, but let's look at number 3. There's a box. What? This box means 90-degree angle. Okay, how about you figure out what X is in number 3? Nirvan, do you have an answer? Nirvan asked a question. Is it 37? What is your answer for Nirvan? Yes? Okay. Nirvan, did you have X plus 53 plus 90 equals 180? Uh-huh. We know that 90 plus 43, excuse me, 90 plus 53 is 143. And 180 minus 143, I think is 37. Very nice. Okay. All right, so I don't really care about this other stuff. Let's come down over here to number 8. In number 8, this class is called Algebra. Here's some algebra for us. Okay, so we know that 3 angles of a triangle add up to be 180. So, Peyton, what are we gonna do here?
Right, 5x plus 1 plus 14x plus 4x minus 5 equals 180.
He asked the question, would we write it like this? What's your answer for him? Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Those are my 3 angles. They should add up to be 180. All right, now we need to do some algebra here. Exactly. 5x plus 14x plus 4x. What would that be?
23x. 23.
Oh, I hear 4 different answers. It's 23?
Yeah, 23x.
Okay. 1 minus 5 would be a negative 4. Are we okay with that equation now? Okay. You know what? It's like the Monday after break, right? I know it's Wednesday, but it's a Monday feeling Wednesday. Our brains aren't all the way ready. Okay. Definitely Wednesday. We didn't have advisory today. We had late start. Okay, so if 23x equals 184, good, Brett. Okay, now use that calculator brain of yours to take 184 divided by 23. Sure.
Calculator in my bag. What am I doing?
8.
No, I don't know. I guess yes. Good guess, Kane. I got it right? Oh.
You're so cool, Kane. Look at you go. That's a really great question. And you like read my mind sometimes. Okay. In this one, the instructions were just find the value of x. So we can stop here. Okay. Now, before I continue answering his question, does anybody have a question on the setup or the process here? Okay. So turn the page. Peyton was asking, well, do we need to like plug x in? Well, we would if they asked for the measure of each angle. So this is what I want you to do. In number 9, I want you to set up the equation and solve for x and then stop. And then we will answer, find each angle measure together. So set up the equation and solve for x and then stop. this is the equation you should have set up. Is that a short one, sir? This one? This one? Now, are you two in the same weight class?
I think I'm just about.
And you're like, fish. Carter, what are you getting for X over here? Carter's getting X equals 11. Okay, so if X equals 11, then what we're going to do is we're going to plug that in to find the measure of each angle. So we know that angle A is 6x minus 7. So the measure of angle A is 6 times x minus 7. 59. We'll put our little degree symbol there. Okay. Is it too much?
I mean, if there's a ton of it on the test, then yeah.
We'll be okay. Angle B, 3x plus 4. So the measure of angle B is 3x. I missed what you said.
I said it sounds like a fixed mindset.
That was very complicated.
MPLA.
Reagan laughed.
I love too. That's why I said it's funny.
I couldn't tell if you're being sarcastic. Okay, and then angle C is 9x minus 15. So the measure of angle C, 9 times 11 minus 15 is what? 84. Now, you have a problem if these three angles do not add to 180. So that can be kind of a double check for you. Okay. You don't double, if you have time left over, you double check those problems. All right, last thing. We're gonna classify triangles based on their angles. We're gonna classify triangles based on their sides. Okay, we have some fun words here. Okay. If your triangle has 3 angles that are less than 90 degrees. Okay. Acute is an angle. Oh, it's so cute. It's small. It's less than 90 degrees. Okay. So if all 3 angles are acute, then we have an acute triangle. 3 angles less than 90. Obtuse. Okay, if we have 1 angle that's greater than 90 degrees, then we have what's called an obtuse triangle because we have 1 obtuse angle. If we have a triangle with 1 right angle, we have a right triangle. Okay, all triangles can be classified in one of these three groups. It's either an acute triangle, an obtuse triangle, or a right triangle. There is also a set of categories based on their sides. So it's going to be classified two ways. We're going to pick one category for the angles and one category for the sides. So we're going to go from right to left. All sides congruent. Do you know what that is? Right, okay. But do you know what that kind of triangle is? By its angles, you are right. Equilateral. Because all of the laterals are equal.
One of them's isosceles.
Ah,
No, I saw some institution. More than this last year. More than this last year.
no. But you know what? That's the closest that anybody else is gonna be. So don't make fun of her. But I really like it. Okay.
Scalene. It's scalene. I'm closer. Boom.
Okay, if two sides are the same, but not the third, then we call that an isosceles triangle. And if we have no sides that are the same, Haley.
I was trying to combine like the isosceles
With the scaling.
And I got scoliosis. May I use the restroom?
Yes. Okay. Avery, are you gonna be okay?
I don't know if you would walk.
That is a great idea. Thank you for doing that. All right, so let's classify each of these triangles. Are we good on, did we get these written down? Okay, so number 10. If we classify it by its angles, Amy, what would we say? Okay, we have one right angle, so it's going to be a right. And then by its sides, Andrew, what kind of triangle would it be by its sides?
Isosceles.
Good. So this is a right isosceles triangle. Okay, number 11. Oh man, I don't know the third angle. Yes, we do. What is it? Okay. So by its angles, we would classify this as what? Oh, it's so cute. Are acute, and all the sides are the same, so acute equilateral. Okay, number 12. In number 12, what's this third angle right here? It is a number. Thanks. What number measure is it? If we take 41 plus 22 and subtract that from 180, we would get, what is it? 127. Oh, I think 117.
That's pretty big.
Yeah. Oh, and because it's big, that angle, it's an obtuse angle. So this is an obtuse. Why? How do you know it's scaling? Okay, there is nothing marked here about any sides being the same. If sides are the same, they'll either have measurements that you can tell that they're the same, or these cute little tick marks saying, hey, these are the same. Okay. All right, we'll do one more. Nirvan. 13, 14, or 15. Pick one. 15. Okay, 15. What's 56 plus 34? So we have 90 degrees left over.
Yes.
So this is a right triangle. Are any of the sides the same? Not that we know of. So this is what I need you to do. Go ahead and turn to page 3. That's your homework.
Just this whole page?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys, it did not take me very long to do, okay?
I said just this whole page. I'm fine that it's. That should be your news.
Great.